This is L. My name is L. And that's all I'm gonna tell you. Cause bitch. Shut up, guys. I'm trying to be serious here. This is a serious matter. We're talking with Kira. Shut up. Gosh, I'm gonna fire you all once I'm done with this. Masuma, end all this shit out. The fuck you mean? Oh my god. Oh, I forgot this is a live take posted in front of the public. Sorry guys, this is just a live video. We're just actors and yeah, I'm not really L. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. You know, big Hollywood. You know, Mazda. What? What the fuck? Who said that? Oh my god. No, the rumor about L being gay is not true. L is actually gonna die. And you know what? You might be about it. I don't know. But he's very emo. Because when he dies, he turns into a hollow. And then some kind of a Ron card called Ukiora, some shit like that. Well, fucking who grows one freaking horn? Come on. One horn out of your head. I mean, come on, guys, really. Be more original. Come on. You could have had 2 horns. What the fuck is a jaguar and a panther doing inside of a blue-haired dude? What's cool? Where have you ever heard of a blue-haired panther? How the fuck did we go from Death Note to Bleach? What? Wait a minute. Are we still talking to the public? No, we are not. Oh wait, we are.